These 8 buttons here below the stack are the view controls. Some of them are multiple buttons because you can see they have a little black triangle in the lower right-hand corner. Let's start with the zoom tool. When I select the zoom tool, I can click the left mouse button in any view and zoom in and out by moving the mouse up and down. The next tool is the Zoom All tool. When I use this tool, when I zoom in one view, all of the views zoom the same amount. The next tool is a multiple tool. I can zoom extents of the selected item, in this case one of the chairs in the middle of all of these chairs, or I can zoom the extents of just this one view. So if I zoom the extents of one item, you can see it zooms right in on that chair. If I zoom extents all, it zooms to the extents of all the objects in that view. So with this tool, I zoom to the extents of just that view. The next tool to the right here is Zoom Extents All Views. So I can zoom extent all in all views, or I can zoom to the extents of the selected object, the chair in the middle of all the chairs, in all of the views. Very useful tool. So I'm going to zoom extents all. Now you'll notice this next tool, the Field of View tool, changes when I select orthogonal windows. For example, the front, top, or left views. When I've selected these views, this turns into the region zoom. The way the region zoom works is you select the tool and then select a region, and it zooms in to that region. It works the same in the perspective view, but in the perspective view it works as a Field of View tool. So I zoom in and out, changing the field of view. The next tool is the Pan tool, which is shaped like a little hand. When I select the Pan tool, I can pan around in the currently selected view. The next tool is the Arc Rotate Selected tool, or the Arc Rotate tool. If I use the Arc Rotate tool, which is the gray one, I can rotate around the center of a view. If I select the Arc Rotate Selected, I rotate around the selected object, in this case the chair in the middle of all the other chairs. The last tool is the MinMax Toggle. When you select a view with the right-clicking the mouse button or left-clicking the mouse button, and then click on the MinMax Toggle, it maximizes that view to fill the view screen area. If you click it again, it minimizes it. These are the view tools. You can use these to manipulate your views and to look on your 3D world from all different vantage points.